Okay guys, I didn't even open these up so y'all can see this. It says non-C curve straight coffin tips, and this is how they're looking like. This is what they're looking like. This is C curve. It's really slight C curve. I don't know if y'all can see that. Sorry, I don't know. That's how the back is looking. This is how, I don't know. It looks really nice. Yes, they look really good. I can't wait to try these out on a client. I need to try them out, and when I do, I will tape it just so I can, you know, let y'all see how these look, what they be looking like. I like those. And these are the universal tips. If y'all watch not polish videos, y'all probably see these on the regular, but as I said, they're nice shaped. If you clip off the tips of this, it's a perfect coffin shape, or it's a perfect stiletto shape. All you have to do is basically sharpen up the edges. Okay, yep, so that's it. Just sharpen these babies up at the tip if you want a perfect stiletto. And that's all of it. And I like that fact, when you open it, she's still smiling with you. Close it, she's smiling. I love that part. I honestly love that part. It's like, what? How is she doing that on both sides? Like, it's amazing. It's just cute. All right, that's it. I'm going to leave a few pictures of what I created with the, you know, the gel polishes. I should have showed y'all how those look too. And the regular polishes. Did I even open up the polishes? I didn't even open up the polishes. So let me just open the polishes so you can see the color. The mint green, it's really pretty. And this one is called the Keeping It Cool. And this one, it was the Orchid. Tangled Orchid. Am I saying that right? I don't know. It says Tangled Orchid or Orchid. So this is the purple one. Or lavender or lilac. It's that color. It's more of a little dusty lavender, lilac color to me. I don't know. And that's the same color in the liqueur. The liqueur. I can't say that word. Alright, I would just say liquor. But this is a Keeping It Cool in regular polish. And this is Orchid in the regular polish. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and size these tips to my trainer hand. And as you can see, these tips are amazingly long. As the night progressed, my voice progressed to worse. So sorry if I don't do a voiceover for the rest of this video. I've been having some really bad allergy problems where my tongue swells up, my throat swells up. I have random rashes. All kind of things. I don't know if I should be saying all this, but as you can hear, my voice is going. So I'm going to just put some music to this video, and I will put the names above the products that I'm using, and I will try to leave a link for them in the description below. But that's it for me for tonight. If you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the bell as well, so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.
All I'm saying, yeah. All I'm saying, yeah. I'm saying.